Hey guys, we're about to go in Florence Nightingale Museum. Come with me. Hello guys, I'm at Florence Nightingale Museum. We're at London again. Anyway, London is in where again?
England?
England. This owl, Florence Nightingale.
Called Athena, yeah.
Athena, the owl right there.
Yeah.
There was a group of kids throwing stones at the owl, and Florence Nightingale came up to them and said, "What are you doing?" And they said, "Having fun." And then Florence Nightingale said, "If you don't stop, I'll throw some stones at you." And that's how she got her owl.
Yay! And she saved Athena.
Nightingale's house, London, 2000 circa, 1800, and then
This is Florence Nightingale's favourite smell. White rose, and it tastes.
And night scented jasmine. Does it smell good?
Yeah, it smells really good.
Ooh.
Nightingale looks like. Her surname's Lady of the Month. Hey guys, look at this.
I suppose we gave them too many clues.
Oh, this way. Can I put the headphones on here?
Yeah, and you press that button.
Well, that's what she said, didn't she, about moving? Yeah, we go to them. Oh! You dropped your hat.
Which one would be better for me? I think this one. Let me put this one.
Oh yeah. Looking good.
Whoa! I'm in Florence Nightingale's time. Look guys. Florence Nightingale. Hi. She used to hold her surname. The soldiers used to call her the Lady of the Land. Their hand at night when they want to, they have to ask, and she would stay with every soldier for like half an hour. And I did see something over here. Follow me.
Once again, between the train
You're scared? You want to get down? This goes all the way to...
I'm walking across the bridge where Harry Potter gets destroyed. Look, really scary. There's the River Thames. My dad just told me the River Thames goes straight to England.
No, to where we live in Leigh-on-Sea.
To where we live in Leigh-on-Sea.
Yeah, it goes out to the
Let's
estuary.
go. We're gonna go to. Where are we going again?
We're going to Five Guys.
We're going to go
and
to Five Guys.
then Chinatown.
And then we're going to go to Chinatown. I hope there's that drink with a marble inside, and you push down the cap. It tastes so good. I wish you could taste it. And at Five Guys, I'm gonna get a hot dog and a Reese's Pieces cup.
Milkshake?
Yeah, milkshake. Do you want to see the book and pen I got from the museum? It's my first time in Five Guys, and there are loads of people around. Look around.
No, I'm not going to show people.
And guess what?
Got tomatoes.
Yes. And guess what I got? I got Reese's Pieces, Buttercup, milkshake, and a hot dog. I'm gonna dip into this, and it's my first time. I can't wait to eat it.
Never been here before,
My mum and
yeah.
dad said it's so good.
It is really good. I've only ever been here, I think, like twice. And I think Daddy only went in
We're
once.
in Chinatown. That means we can get a lot of stuff.
We're going to go Chinatown next, aren't we? Yeah.
Oh, we are in Chinatown.
Well, nearly. Chinatown's just around the corner.
And this is what I actually looks like without the hat.
It's pretty cold in London today.
If you haven't seen what on my t-shirt, NYE t-shirt.
Imposter!
Yeah, it's in loads of imposters. I'm annoyed. I'm getting annoyed. Earlier I said, Mum, what does this say? Actually said imposter, and it annoyed me so much.
What? I only read it for
And
you.
I'm gonna
Are you going to sneak some of Daddy's Diet Coke while you wait for your milkshake? It's vanilla Diet Coke as well. Is it good?
Yeah, that's
Yeah?
pretty good.
What would you give it out of 10?
9 out of 10.
Not bad.
Hi guys, I got my milkshake. It has whipped cream. I can't wait for my food. I don't have my food yet.
Do you reckon you're going to like it? So this is Reese's Pieces or something like that. Looks really good. What would you give it out of 10?
That tastes like real Reese's Pieces.
Oh.
10 out of 10. This is what we bought at Florence Nightingale Museum. It's going to be in my diary. You're not allowed to look.
But show the pen. Show me the pen. I really want to see it.
And
The pen is awesome. So it
it's my favourite colour here.
looks like a syringe because obviously she was a nurse. How cool is that? And Ed managed to
And
get
this-
the very last blue one.
Hi guys, I got my food. Why did they wrap it like this? 2 hot dogs! Hey guys. I'm gonna get a fish ice cream. Look at all the fishes. I got my fish ice cream. Yeah, that really cooled me down. So hot. Hi guys, we're home. Alden's right here, and my yacht's there, and I got my shotgun to shoot Mummy early, and
Cheeky.
a younger shooter.
Did we have fun in London?
Yeah, I shot her. This is what my mum looks like. She's in her pajamas.
I am. You need to get in your pyjamas now because it's getting late, isn't
No,
it?
I'm gonna do it.
We're knackered from
I'm
London.
gonna do it later.
Okay.
Anyway,